going down, everybody? It's your boy Gensu back with another Fight Team video for today for Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on. What we got going on is this is what punches from a heavyweight boxer sound like without fans. So it's been sports has been a little weird lately. I've been watching basketball. The basketball feel like they're playing at the community center somewhere. Excuse me. My coffee to the side. They're getting paid for that. MMA's been going crazy too. I mean, cats MMA's been going nuts. You can actually hear the breathing and sidestepping, the way the coaches are yelling. Haven't seen any boxing matches yet, so let's get into this one, okay? You guys want to count down to 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ooh, ooh. Uh-oh. Already not playing. Not playing.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Box on. Get them out. Get them out. Stop boxing. Stop boxing.
Ooh. Jesus.
6, 7, 8. You okay? Yeah.
But do me a favour, when you put the pressure on him, come off, go straight back again, yeah? Because he's not expecting it. You're coming off and he's moving off, yeah? Lovely. There you go. Good boy. And again, stay there.
Ooh.
Stay there. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you, man. Definitely fine. I think eventually done the line, yeah? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bigger boys, huh? Let's see. Ooh. Measuring.
If you put two or three parts together, it's not going to deal with that. If you are good. Yeah. Slide it down a little bit for a bit more speed.
Ooh. 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 He measuring you, bro. And measure. Measuring you, man. Measure 2. Yeah. You was trying to get the noodle neck. Ooh.
Okay, break. Stop boxing. Both of you step away.
I think some fighters fight a lot better without the fan pressure. And there's some people who really need that energy.
You're going low. I told you 2 times. The last warning, one more. Time out. Both of you, come here. You're both cut and you're both using your heads. Stop it. Do you understand? Don't spoil it.
Okay. Good refereeing. We don't hear that with all the crowd noise. That's good refereeing. We don't hear none of that in the crowd noise. You know what I'm saying? So that was pretty tight, man. Okay, you know, I liked it. You guys already know what I said, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Good video for Thursday. Hit the bell, get the notifications. I'm out of here. Peace, player. Your boy is gone, man.